welcome back. Today we have a brand new intense ab workout that's gonna target your whole abs, giving you that well-balanced look. So if you want to get your abs quickly, try this workout and let's jump straight into it. Today we have 10 exercises, 30 seconds each, back to back. The first exercise is seated crunch. Make sure you squeeze your abs as you bring your legs in and breathe out. Breathing properly is very important for any exercises. Let's move on to Russian twist straight away. Lean back and make sure you do it in a full range of motion. And also don't forget to squeeze your abs. This is so important. If you have trouble engaging your core and squeezing your abs, do check out my latest top 5 ab mistakes video. Now we have reverse crunch. Lie on your back and bring your hips up using your core. Make sure you don't swing your legs too much. Then we have butterfly crunch. Touch your feet with your hands as you crunch up. Remember to breathe out and squeeze your abs as you come up. Now we have bicycle crunch. We are really smashing our abs today. Touch your opposite knee with your opposite elbow, and this exercise is just really great for your whole abs. Now we have mountain climbers. Bring your knee as close to your elbow as possible. Remember to do it in a full range of motion because then it will be fully working your abs. Now we have plank with hip dips. Love this for obliques. Make sure you don't poke your butt out when you're doing this. Then we have high plank jacks. This one is really great for lower abs. Make sure you engage your core and squeeze your abs. Squeeze those abs while you're doing this because you won't feel the burn unless if you squeeze your abs. That applies for any exercises. Now we have plank with one arm raise, and this is quite challenging at this point. Make sure your butt is not poking up or drooping down. It can be quite hard, so just try your best. It's okay if it's not perfect, you'll get better over time. The last exercise is Superman pulse. Lie on your tummy and raise both your arms and legs up. Working your lower back is important for a well-balanced abs, so remember to incorporate some lower back movements. Now we have a 15 seconds break, then we're restarting this one more time. I actually didn't press the record button the first time I recorded, so I did this routine 4 times. Anyway, let's start again with seated crunch. Now, Russian twist. You can lift your legs up if you want it more intense. Then reverse crunch.
I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know? And don't you know? I'm living in shadow.
Now we have butterfly crunch.
Don't you know? And don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know?
Then bicycle crunch.
You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Now we have mountain climbers. Make sure you bring your knee as close to your elbow as
Yes, I
possible.
did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools.
Then plank with hip dips.
Did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You a fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Now we have plank jacks.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Then plank with one arm raise. I noticed that my butt poked up a little in this set because I was exhausted by the 4th set. But make sure you don't poke your butt out, but just try your best. final exercise is Superman Pulse. I'm pretty sure you guys are very happy right now. Congrats guys, you can do one more round of this if you are more advanced. I did 4 sets in total, but do check out my top 5 ab mistakes video if you have trouble getting defined abs, the defined 6-pack abs. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe, and also turn on the notification to see more fitness videos. Also, do check out my new second channel if you want to see what I get up to when I'm not working out. Thanks for dropping by, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!